Hey everyone, it's Terry Cutler. And if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I put out a little contest to see which book cover you liked best for my upcoming book. And if you remember, there was 3 covers. There was a blue one with the Internet of Things on it. You had one with a spider, and you had one with an eye. And this was really the first time where I was announcing to the public that there was an actual book coming out. And boy, did you guys really step up. I mean, there was thousands of views and hundreds of comments. So much so that SurveyMonkey actually asked me to upgrade my plan so I can read all of the comments. And your feedback was very, very valuable. So now you must be wondering which cover won. Well, here we go. Da, 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 da. So the eye was the most popular book cover. And you guys provided me a ton of feedback on what it should look like. And this is it. So I went back to the team, we got it fixed up. So this is a sample of what the book's going to look like. And it's got 163 pages in it. And one of the reasons why I created this book was a lot of the time I was hearing comments from my viewers saying that, I don't have time to watch your videos or attend your podcasts and such. Just give me something that I can do quickly. So this book is kind of like it's like a distilled version of my work. Okay, so in this book, you're going to find a ton of valuable stuff, such as how to find information about yourself that you didn't even know existed. We're going to talk about ransomware and how to avoid getting hit and infected with it. There's some social media safety. We're going to talk about some of the latest scams in this book, including the COVID-19 scams, which I'm happy made it into the book. So we'll talk about some mobile security. And there's actually a bonus section in the back where if you're a small or medium-sized business owner, I'm going to teach you what to look out for and how you can actually get started with cybersecurity in your business in a very inexpensive way. So what I really love about this book is that the content in this book has been proven. Okay, it's been torture tested and it's real world experience that's been put in here. So there you have it. So there's going to be a launch coming up soon for the book, and the scheduled release date will be May 1st, 2020. So I'm very super excited about this. So I will keep you posted on when this book will be available. It might be even sooner, but we're shooting around May 1st. And what's really cool is that it's going to be also available in paperback, Amazon print on demand, and also Audible. So there's going to be an audio version of the book, which will be narrated by Kaleo Griffith. Kaleo has actually narrated books for Donald Trump, The Art of the Deal, and also for the founder of LinkedIn. And you can go and view some of his work on Audible as well. So I'm super happy to have him on my team as well. So that's all I got for now, and I'll see you in the next video.